Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use the long position tool and the short position tool in TradingView. So if you are interested in purchasing TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. In this deal, you are going to get up to 80% off plus 1 month additional. So only 3 days left. If you are interested, you can just simply hurry and use the link in the description. Now, in order to basically use the long short position tool, simply come over here on the tradingview.com, then log in into your account if you haven't already. Now click on the option of products and it is going to basically open the chart of gold in front of you. You can also click on your watch list and you can open the chart of any other currencies or any other pair that you like to trade. So after opening the chart, you need to hover over to the left hand side, then click on the option of this long short tool. Now over here, make sure that you star both of these so that these could come here on the top. Now in order to place the long position, what you need to do is you need to simply just do it like this. Then with the help of this particular long short position, you can select your stop loss and you can simply select the option of your take profit. So this is for the long position. For the short position, you will have to use the short tool, and then from where you want to just short on the chart. For example, let's say when the price of BTC comes here at, let's say, this point, I'm going to be shorting it from here. This will be my stop loss and this will be my take profit. So you can just simply use the short tool, something like this. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and also comment if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.